In the 1940s, there were just a handful of vintners in the Napa Valley. But these farmers and entrepreneurs already understood that by working together rather than individually, they could accomplish more. And thus a novel, even radical idea began to take form.
The Napa Valley Vintners started with just a few of the winery principals and winemakers working together to do really two things: to try to produce better quality wines, and then to try to have those wines recognized by the public of being great wines that belonged in the company of the great wines of the world.
What sets Napa Valley apart is our consistent quality, high quality wines produced year after year. What comes with a big reputation, unfortunately, is sometimes those who want to trade on our good name and deceive consumers. And so for a number of years, we've been working to protect the Napa name.
When consumers pick up a bottle of wine that says Napa Valley on it, they'll recognize that these grapes and this wine was made in Napa Valley. We think this is paramount to make sure that our customers know what they're getting when they buy a bottle of our wine.
What started in 1981 as a community fundraiser has become one of the most renowned charity wine auctions in the world. Auction Napa Valley is an unprecedented effort by a single industry. Vintners working together to take care of the people in their community.
Auction Napa Valley is probably one of the most important parts of what we have done as a community.
We've been able to donate back to the community more than $100 million to many nonprofit programs in the areas of healthcare, youth development, and affordable housing.
Napa Valley vintners farm under the most rigorous and often self-imposed land use environmental guidelines of any wine-growing region anywhere. From the vineyard to the bottle, vintners here also use sustainable practices as part of the Napa Green certified programs. The goal is to ensure the environmental health of the Napa Valley now and for generations to come.
The Napa Valley has been a leader in environmental causes long before being green was in, and in fact established the first ag preserve in the United States.
The agricultural preserve, established in 1968, was able to prevent suburban sprawl to move up and down the Napa Valley.
What we're trying to create here for the future is agriculture that is sustainable, businesses that are sustainable, a beautiful place that is protected forever, and a community that is well taken care of.